Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.39 trillion. We are down 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 44.3%. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap does tend to be a little inaccurate on the BTC Dominance, but as of recording this video, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 45.43%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild red across the board, especially over the last 24 hours, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a small retracement occur within its price, which is very, very normal. Nothing to worry about. We need to keep in mind that Bitcoin has seen a massive, massive move towards the upside over the past 1 month, along with altcoins. Q4 has been a very, very bullish start for the space, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. But that does not mean that we're not going to see some sort of small pullbacks occurring within the price, or within the days, because nothing is going to go up forever in one single line. You guys need to keep that in mind. I always tell you guys that. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than Cardano. Alright, my Cardano family, if we are looking at the Cardano price, you guys can see Cardano is currently trading at $2.15. We are down 2.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top fifth spot. We have seen Cardano pull back, in the overall cryptocurrency ranking. We were sitting at top 3 and we are sitting right now at top 5th spot. But despite that fact, we are sitting in a market cap of $68.74 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $2.3 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 2,000%. So let's not forget that. And yes, guys, you guys, if you are a Cardano holder, you guys want to watch this video till the end, because we are going to go into detail as to what exactly is going on, and why I believe Cardano is being slept on right now. So you guys can see overall, bigger picture, we are up 2,000%. But in the last 30 days, even though we are in a Q4, I've been seeing these comments come in left and right. We are not seeing Cardano go up with the overall markets. And let's get into that right now. So if we are bringing out the charts, you guys can see Cardano has come back into its 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level and has been trading within this range over the past couple of days, guys. And this level 38.2 is a strong level of support for the price of Cardano. But now comes, everyone, guys, don't get me wrong, everyone is talking about this. Everyone's like, oh my god, Cardano is now moving up towards the upside. Cardano is boring. Cardano this, Cardano that. Let's not forget, guys, when the overall markets was not, having the parabolic move towards the upside before Q4, when, overall market was still, in the consolidation phase after we saw the Elon FUD come out along with the China FUD, we saw one coin out of a lot of coins, a lot of handful coins. One of them was Cardano that was still hovering in this 38.2 zone, guys, or this 0.50 to 38.2, while all the other ones were below the 78.6 zone and consolidating around there. And Cardano had a nice move towards the upside, but now we are starting to see interest shifting away from Cardano into other altcoins. And Cardano has not really moved up or done anything really exciting over the past 12 days, since the start to this Q4. And I believe people are sleeping on Cardano, because I believe Cardano is going to make a move towards the upside eventually when this consolidation phase does come to an end, because Cardano is the future. I always mention this to you guys. Cardano is the future, and the numbers do not lie itself. And this is why we're seeing so much interest coming in from not only the retail side of the spectrum, but institutional side. If you are looking at the institutional side of the interest, a lot of institutions are very, very interested in Cardano. And this Cardano itself reminds me of the beginning of Ethereum. I remember like as if it was yesterday when Ethereum was trading at $3 to $4. And boy, do I wish I held back then. Boy, do I wish I held all my Ethereum. But again, this does not mean, by no means am I coming up to you and saying, Ethereum, Cardano is going to hit $4,000. Absolutely not, because obviously the overall supply between Cardano and Ethereum is totally different. While Cardano supply is way larger, while Ethereum's is way, way lower. But I believe Cardano could be as big as Ethereum, and I'm a strong believer at that, because if you do look at Ethereum and Cardano side by side, guys, Cardano is so much more superior than Ethereum. Ethereum is more of a, store of value. Ethereum is going nowhere. It has built up its credibility, but rather than us seeing developers coming in and developing on the Ethereum blockchain, we're starting to see that shift happening. And the biggest one that a lot of people are excited about is the Cardano ecosystem, and this ecosystem is only going to get bigger as time goes by. So we do need to keep that in mind right now as well. Right now, this could seem boring. This could definitely seem boring. This price action, sideways momentum occurring for the Cardano price. Why is Cardano not booming and going to like $4, $5? But you guys do need to keep in mind, Cardano has come up from just the last year alone. I remember Cardano was trading at 8 cents, guys. Let me repeat that again. Cardano was trading at 8 cents. 8 cents, and it has come up to $2.13. So let's not forget that. We are seeing some consolidation occur, but despite that fact, even after having a nice rally towards the upside, what people don't understand is Cardano is still holding very, very strongly within this range, guys. Once we enter back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, that is, this zone, this red zone here that you guys can see, this zone is the all-time high territory. Because if we have buying pressure on our side, then we could really start getting things rolling. And once we go out of this zone, guys, then it's free space up there. Sky's the limit. There's no resistance, there's no support. Price can move up very, very fast, and you guys know what happens when coins go into price discovery mode. So we need to keep that in mind. I still believe Cardano is going to have its time very, very soon, and it is being slept on quite a bit. But right now we are seeing a Bitcoin having a small correction within the markets, which is causing the overall market to have a small retracement, but very, very normal. If we do need to look at the bigger picture, guys. From just September 29th, we have seen Bitcoin come up all the way up to 42%, guys. Let me repeat that again. 42% since September 29th, and having a 4% retracement is very, very normal, because nothing is going to go up straight forever. We cannot forget that. And we're also seeing BTC Dominance increase towards the upside. I called that in my VeChain video over the past 2 days. I mentioned that do expect the BTC Dominance to increase as Bitcoin starts to climb towards the upside, and I do still see Bitcoin hitting all-time highs before the altcoin rally to occur. But that does not mean if Bitcoin hits all-time highs, we're not going to see the overall market follow. Yes, they are going to follow, but we're not going to see that type of parabolic type of move that everyone is waiting for. But we need to keep this in mind. Very, very healthy so far. But BTC Dominance increasing is another factor as to why we're seeing altcoins going down right now and seeing some sort of red across the board. So nothing to worry about, I believe. We're still in some exciting times ahead, and you just need to have patience, guys. But if you're in it for the long haul, guys, you know the drill. You guys can stake your Cardano. 70.5% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. So what are you waiting for? If you do not care about these short-term moves here and there, you believe Cardano is going to be like Ethereum in the next 3 years, then there's no point on holding your bags and earning nothing. You should, stake your Cardano and earn passive income, so your overall bag just gets bigger and bigger as time goes by. But with that being said, guys, I do expect Cardano to break out towards the upside. Cardano is being slept on right now, but the interest is going to come back into it. Do not forget these words, guys. Do not forget these words. A lot of eyes are on Cardano, and when the money starts flowing back into it, You guys know what's going to happen. Right now, we are in a consolidation phase, which is very much needed after having a beautiful move towards the upside. But Cardano is going to hit some newer all-time highs this year alone. And my target, once we break out of this zone, would be the next $4 to be the next target. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now. What are your thoughts? Where could you see Cardano go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. I love each and every one of you guys. Your support means the world to me, and keep supporting me. I'll always do this for you guys, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.